My first stop in the Philippines is the Boracay Island. I chose this place because I wanted to learn to kitesurf, and Boracay Island has the most number of kitesurfing schools than any other island in the Philippines. Because of competition, kitesurfing schools here offer attractive packages to anybody interested to learn kitesurfing. I went to 2 different kitesurfing schools in Boracay and had 2 different kitesurfing instructors during my stay. But kitesurfing is only possible when there is good strong wind, otherwise the kite won't fly. And on days when there is no wind, then you have to find an alternative thing to do. But Boracay is the place where there is always something to do apart from kitesurfing. Although I'm disappointed every day I spent here without any wind. But on a windy day, I have goosebumps, as kitesurfing is a scary business and potentially very dangerous and risky water sports.
Kung gusto mong continue yung riding mo, dun sa baba kasi yung hila ng kite sa'yo papunta dun. Pag nilagay mo yung kite sa 12 o'clock, paakyat, papunta dito. Pagkat yung number 1, balance sa baba. Okay? Doon nakakita yung magli-lean forward ka. At the same time, pupush mo na yung front leg mo. Yung front leg ha, wala kaya mo, down to yung kite. Lean forward na ako.
This guy can make it appear so easy, but it is not as easy as it looks.
The kite is really not important. I saw you already.
Yeah.
The kite
Yeah,
straight.
yeah,
What I'm doing
yeah, yeah,
is more important
Yeah.
because you have to do the same thing like I
yeah,
do.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
You should not do what the kite is doing.
yeah, yeah.
Look
Yeah.
what I'm doing.
Yeah, yeah.
One hand in the middle of the bar.
One hand in the middle of the bar,
The ball from the side.
or from the side,
1 foot in.
1 foot in,
You have to go to swing.
Yeah.
2nd foot in.
second foot in.
Make yourself small.
Make
Don't
small.
go. Your toes are like this.
Ah, yeah, I see. Okay.
This guy is my Dutch kitesurfing instructor, and I like him better than the Filipino guy. I just felt his method of teaching is more effective.